Hey there guys, Chet here. If you manage your projects or to-do lists in Trello, you know how useful it is. But what if you could automatically create new cards or move them across your boards without lifting a finger? Well, that's what happens when you connect Trello with n8n. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up that connection so that you can start automating your project management. First, before we do anything in n8n, we need to go to Trello to create what they call a power up. This will give us the special keys that we need to make the connection. To get started, you'll need to go to trello.com/power-ups/admin. Now, once you're on that page, click the new button to begin creating your power up. A window will pop up asking some basic information. You need to give your new integration a name. I suggest calling it something clear like n8n integration. Then choose the workspace that you want it to belong to. You'll also need to enter an email address, a support contact, and an author name. For the iframe connector URL field, you can just put a placeholder for now like https://example.com. Once you have filled that out, click the create button. Now that your power up has been created, we need to get our first key. On the settings page for your new power up, you will see a button that says generate a new API key. Go ahead and click that button. Now, this will immediately generate and display your API key. This is the first piece of the puzzle that we need for n8n. So go ahead and copy this API key because we're about to use it. With the API key copied, let's head over to our n8n account. Now, you can start by creating a new workflow and adding a Trello node to the canvas. In the Trello node's settings, you'll see the field for credential to connect with. Click on that drop-down menu and select Create New Credential. This will open the Trello connection window. Now, the first field that you'll see is for the API key. This is where you need to paste the key that you just copied from Trello. But don't click Save just yet. We still need one more piece of information, the API token. To get this, we have to go back to the Trello Power Up page one last time. On the same screen where you got your API key, you should see a link right next to it that says token. Click on that link. Then Trello will open a new tab asking you to authorize the connection. It will show your username and ask you to allow the power up to access your account. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the green allow button. As soon as you click it, Trello will display your personal token. This is the second secret key that we need. Now, copy this token. You got it? Perfect. Now let's jump back to the n8n window we left open. Find the field labeled API token and paste the token that you just copied into it. Now you should have both the API key and the API token fields filled in. You can now click the Save button. Now you'll see a confirmation that your credential was successfully saved, and that's it. Your n8n account is now fully and securely connected to your Trello account. So if you found this useful, I'm going to go way deeper inside of my school community. I've built a complete n8n course where you'll learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems, plus live calls and exclusive templates that you won't find anywhere else. The link for that is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.